What's going on, guys? In today's video, I want to go in and break down a website that's making over $100,000 in passive income. Now, the reason I'm doing this video is because you guys loved the last one that I did. We went and broke down another website that's making passive income online. And I want to show you that it's possible for you to make passive income as well and show you one of the best ways to do it. So let's jump into my computer and we will go through who this person is, how they make their money, the method they use to make the most money, and why it's important to go out and research what other people are doing so you can go and mimic their success and start your own business online. So let's jump into my computer, guys, and I will show you exactly how this website is making over $100,000 per month and completely passive income. All right, guys, so the reason I'm doing this video is simple. I want to show that if you put in the work now, you really can create a passive income online. And not only that, a long-term passive income. See, the thing is, a lot of people think that making money online is get rich quick scheme and you get rich really fast and all that sort of stuff. It's really not possible. What you want to be doing is building a long-term passive income stream. But yes, you do need to work hard at the start. But it gets easier and easier and easier as you go along and build up these income sources. So let's jump in, guys, and have a look at this website that is making over $100,000 per month. Now, I know this website very well. I actually learned a lot from this website. This has been around for a long time. I come here quite often just to learn things because this lady is very good at teaching people how to make money online and the best ways to do it. And I have used this in the past, and I use this website quite a lot just to refresh my memory and look for new strategies to make money online. Now, the reason I know she makes a lot of money, guys, is simple. She tells us every single month how much money she makes. So this is a blog post that says how I made money blogging in September 2019. Now, if we scroll down past all the stuff that isn't really important at this point of time, it says I regularly earn over $100,000 a month blogging. And I've earned over 5 million from blogging, since she started doing this. Now, that's a mind-blowing amount of money. $5 million is just insane for anybody. But what I want to show you is kind of break down how she makes her money, because this is really important, okay? First of all, she makes around about 20% of her money from course sales. Then she makes around about 16% from sponsored partnerships, which is things like people paying her to do a guest post and things like that, right? And then we have display ads, which is 2%. And those are like these little ads on the sidebar. I'll show you some in a second. But more importantly, guys, over 62% of her income is from affiliate marketing. Now, I've been preaching affiliate marketing for years, and the reason why is because there are so many advantages to affiliate marketing. You don't need your own product. You don't need to deal with support. You don't need to deal with any headaches. You literally just send traffic to a product to get a commission. And this is her main income source, around about 62% of that to be exact. So why is affiliate marketing so attractive, and why is she making so much money from it? Well, it's simple. Let me show you exactly why. But first of all, let me kind of show you her lifestyle, because she lives a very great life. Like, if you go to her Instagram, she travels around the world and just lives the life that everybody dreams. And, you don't need to have fast Wi-Fi. You don't need to be in an office 24/7 all the time to build up these blogs. She has built up this blog while traveling the world the entire time. I've been following her for a very long time. So how does she make money from affiliate marketing? Well, she does it a little bit different from the last video that I did on this particular topic. If we go to her blog, so this is her blog. If we click on blog up here, she'll post a blog, the best online tutoring jobs, the how to be more productive, and all that sort of stuff, right? Now, before we actually click on these, guys, I want to explain to you why affiliate marketing is so big. So if we go to a website called trivago.com or .co.nz in this case, this is a simple website where people find hotels. Okay, so I'm just going to put in Auckland, and then I'm going to put in check-in time today, and then go tomorrow and click search. And it brings me all the hotels that are available in Auckland. Now, Trivago doesn't own these hotels. They make money off booking fees, referrals, which in another term is called affiliate marketing. Now, this is a case study that someone did on Trivago. I don't know how he got these stats, but Trivago makes over 59% of their total revenue from affiliate partners, from affiliate earnings and referral commissions, right? So that means that Trivago is getting a commission every time someone books a hotel. They have created a multi-million-dollar business from nothing. They don't own any of the products. They are just a middleman service that provides hotels or available hotels in a specific city. That's how powerful affiliate marketing is, and that's why I preach it so much, because it literally is the easiest thing to do to make money online if you're a beginner. So let's go back to her blog post, right? She has one here, How Sarah Earns $5 Million a Year with Shopify. Now, if we click on this, you'll notice that she has all sorts of links link into other articles. So for example, people will click those links and go through the other articles where there's affiliate links. However, what you'll notice on this website, guys, is at the bottom, she has a thing that says how to start a blog free email course. So what she does is she gives away a free course, okay? Completely free. And you can see at the top here as well, she collects emails. Now, this is why this is important, okay? A lot of people think they have to go and sell a course. No, you can give away a free course. And inside that course, I've seen her course, there are affiliate links where she makes her money. So she gets affiliate links by promoting a blog hosting platform like Bluehost and things like that, right? That's how she makes most of her affiliate commissions. Now, she's built up an email list of over 300,000 readers, or probably a lot more than that now. So she's doing two things. She's building an email list that's extremely strong, and she's making affiliate commissions in the back end with that course, right? Now, if we go down, I don't know if she lists it, but usually she says how she makes her money. She might not do it in this one because she's kind of stopped doing that. But let's just go down and see. Okay, she hasn't listed. Usually she'll list what she's made most of her money from. But in September, she made over $50,000 in affiliate commissions. And usually she makes around about $30,000 just from promoting a platform called Bluehost, where people start a website under her link. Now, what's important about this, guys, is the way everything is structured, okay? So if you go to like this post here, everything links back to other things. So some of these will be affiliate links, but it links back to other articles of her. So what she's doing is she's keeping people on the website. And what these people are doing is eventually they're going to be like, okay, I'm going to click this one as well. And then I'm going to scroll down and boom, I'm going to put in my information here and I'm going to sign up to her course. So what she's doing is the end goal for her blog is simple. She wants to get people on her email list so she can send them a free course where she makes affiliate commissions in the back end with email marketing. If you want to know how to build your own email marketing list, guys, I will leave a video below to show you exactly how to do this. But it's very important to understand what she's doing here. She's not trying to make affiliate commissions straight away, right? She's making them by getting people to sign up to these links. Now, if we go down here, like I said, over 62% of her income is from affiliate marketing. That is a massive amount. Only 2% is from ads. So these are the ads that she has, these display ads. Only 2% of her income is from those ads. The reason her affiliate marketing stuff is so high is because she's getting people on that email list and she's warming them up with a free course. A lot of people think that the only way to make money online is to sell courses. Well, her course sales are only 20% of her overall monthly income. So that is a complete false assumption that people just make money off selling courses. Yes, we do make money off selling courses, but it's not always going to be all about income. So guys, if you don't understand what affiliate marketing is, essentially she's promoting other people's products for a commission. Now, one thing I do want to talk about, guys, is this website has a lot of stuff on it. It looks nice. It's very well laid out. She has categories. She has About Me page. But what a lot of people don't realize is these websites start at very, very basic levels. So this is called archive.org, where I can go back and find old versions of her website. And you'll see they're very, very simple. It's completely different to what it looks like now. And I think that's a really big roadblock for a lot of people. They try to get everything perfect. Just start to write content. Seriously, just start to write content and you'll eventually be like, oh my God, this is starting to work. I'm starting to make money. Okay, it's very, very important to just go and start writing content. If we take one of my websites, for example, I have a team that just writes content for me. It's all they do. This doesn't look good. There's no like nice aesthetics going on here. It's just a simple theme where we go out and write about specific things, and then we collect emails down here where I give away a book, just like that other lady's doing in her blog, but instead I sell a course, and I do sell affiliate stuff as well from this particular page, but mainly a course. But as you can see, you don't need to have a nice website. Just go and create content, guys. Seriously, just go and create content, because if you don't start creating content, you'll never start creating content and you'll never start making money. It can take you a couple of months to start making money. It could take you a couple of years, but it's worth it when you end up making hundreds and thousands of dollars per month, just like she is right here. She's made over $5 million, guys. $5 million from this blog alone, okay? That's a crazy amount. Most people can retire on that amount of money. I can't because it's expensive where I live, but most people can retire on $5 million easily, even half of that. So that's why I stress the importance of creating a passive income stream online. And one of the best ways, probably the number one way in my opinion, is to build a blog. And you don't need your own product, and you can promote other people's products to go and get commissions from those products. And you don't need to deal with any of the headaches. And all she does, guys, is simple. She just writes about content. And if you don't know where to get content, just go and find blogs in your industry and do your own version of that. Okay, so let me kind of show you an example here. Let's say, hey, I don't know what to write about, right? So let's go and find one here. So here we go. 18 of the best ways to make extra money for the holidays. You could do 18 of the best ways to make extra money while traveling. 10 best ways to make money from home while on holiday, right? Simply replicate or mimic what's working. You can do your own version of this. You don't need to reinvent the wheel. It's very simple. It's not going to cost you anything to write the content. It's completely free to go and write content, and it's simply easy to do. And if you want to, you can go and pay people to write content for you, and it's very cheap to do that. In fact, this is how cheap it really is. If you want to write an article that's 2,000 words, you can go to a website called iWriter.com, 2,000 words, you're looking at $15. That's so cheap, $15. Or like I said, if you want to do it for free, you can write that content for free. Now, a big mistake people do is they always try and put the affiliate links in as soon as they start. Yes, you can do that, but more importantly, you just need to keep pumping out content. Just go and find people in your industry that are doing very, very well and mimic what they're doing. Create content the same as what they're doing, but with different titles and just different things, right? So 5 best ways to make extra money from your mobile phone. There's like a million different ways I could change this headline and create content. All right, so that's how this website makes money, guys. It's very, very simple. They make 62% of their money simply by affiliate marketing, okay? It's one of the best business models online. Now, if you want to learn more about affiliate marketing, guys, I have a full training that takes you through step-by-step how to make money with affiliate marketing. We take you through everything, starting your foundation, niche research, website academy. We show you how to build your own website, funnel academy, email marketing academy, ClickBank academy, Amazon Associates, search engine optimization, paid traffic, free traffic, launch jacking, and web hosting blueprint. We have hundreds and thousands, if not millions, in student results from this training. These are my results. I take you through a full case study. I give you everything you need step by step. We have a 5-star training system right here. I take you through step by step how to start your own real affiliate marketing business. And I'm one of the only ones in the world that's actually making millions of dollars per year with affiliate marketing. There are not many people in the world doing that. I'm one of the only ones. So click the link in the description, guys. It will take you through to this page where you can go and get my training that takes you through step by step how to start your own highly profitable passive income affiliate marketing business. All right, guys, so $100,000 a month is crazy. If you want to learn more, you can go and check out my affiliate marketing course. But if you want some more videos on how you can do this, check out the videos on the right now. Okay, there is a free video on how to start your own affiliate marketing business. And I'm also going to leave a playlist below that you can check out as well. Don't forget to subscribe. Tap that notification bell. Leave a comment below if you have any questions at all. I'm happy to help. I'll see you on one of the videos up on the screen right now. Go and click it.